This car is Fiat car in the year 1955, and this model is Millicento, and the name of the owner is Vinay Agarwal. As all you know, this winter car rally. This is Morris, as all you know, year 1935, and model is 8. Yes, number 8 model, and the owner is Subhendu Kaur. This is Morris. You can see the steering, the gear, and all those. The seats. This is Morris. (1935) Morris, and this one is Triumph, year 1950, and the model is Mayflower. The owner is Trisha Banik. You can see the maintenance. It's fully maintained Morris, and you can see the steering, the gears, and the everything is there. On the back, the number is there. You can see this is Morris, which we had seen earlier. This is Morris 1935, and this is Triumph 1950. And Fiat is always very popular among Indians. The model is delight to watch. Shiva Parekar Laha is the owner. You can see the lights and the Fiat, a small car family. The gears, the smoking that you can put your cigarettes there. The gears, the back. We go on the back. Number is still there, WBJ6120. The Fiat. And this Ambassador, as all you know, it was also a family car. Morris, Fiat, Triumph, every car is here. And this is Ambassador. This model is MI. Baldev Majumdar is the owner, and the year is 1961. So this is 1961 car, the old Ambassador, 1961. H is very popular for us. And now we go to another car, which is Austin. Austin is an English car. Model is 1948. Owner is Trisha Banik. See the Austin, WBJ7798. The Austin. Oh, very cute car. This is Austin. You see the gear, every meter is there. Two seats behind. And we go on the back of this Austin. Yes, beautiful. You can put your luggage here. So this is Austin. Cute car, Austin. The headlights, the blinking lights here. The Austin, the trademark of Austin. Yes, Automobile Association of Bengal. This is the Austin, the Ambassador, the Fiat, the Morris. Now this is another Austin. This is 1951, bigger than that Austin. The yellow one, and this black one is somewhat bigger. Somerset. Yes, Ranjit Gupta is the owner. Austin. The model is Somerset. The black one. Very beautiful, as all you know. A is for Austin. And the headlights, 4 lights, small lights, the side lights. This is Austin of England. Somerset, as all you know. And the steering, everything. And we go on the back and we see the back. This is another car is Standard Herald. Yes, this is a sports car somewhat. standard Herald. The red one, standard Herald. The wiper is there. You can see the wiper, the headlights. The standard 1963 year. Model is Herald. And the owner is Ajay Kejriwal. Beautifully maintained these cars, as all you see here. Herald, this car, you see the maximum speed is 80, and all manually. There you can see the glass. To raise the glass, this you can fold it here. There is an option. This is a standard Herald, the red one. Very beautiful. It looks like a sports car. Yes, all cars are here, as all you know. This is another car. This is Buick 8. Monster during those days. Buick 8. Very beautiful car. This Buick. Very strong indeed. Yes, needs a strong driver instead. Another car, we move on here. This is Morris. Too many Morris here. This is 1967. The model is Oxford. Surya Pratim Mitra is the owner of this car. And Volkswagen, this German car. Here is 1958 Beetle. Ahmad Monim is the owner of this car. Volkswagen. Very short, very cute. For children is very comfortable, as you see on the back. Volkswagen. Beautiful this car is, and we see the steerings, the side looking glass. And now we come to this Volkswagen, another Volkswagen. That was 1958 Volkswagen, that blue one. And this yellow one is 1971 Beetle. Owner is Hussein. Volkswagen, see the shape of the Volkswagen. The front is very sleeky, not like this Austin. This is A40 model, 1951 Austin. Austin of England. We saw Austin of Somerset. She very beautiful, very cozy indeed. This Austin. You see the back. Yes, all manually. The gates, the steerings, and this is the trademark of Austin, Austin of England. This one is Morris Austin. This is a minor model. Parsun Hazra is the owner, and the year is 1948. You can see here Morris. So what a beautiful shape here. Morris 1948 minor. Yes, you see the steering, and we come to another car. This car, as all you know, is a Hillman, 1951 Hillman. Model is Minx. Vivek Chatterjee is the owner. You see very few cars here in India. Hillman, Morris Austin, that you will get it. Even Fiat is very popular during those days. 1969 year. Model is Delight. This is Fiat. You see, very comfortable for Indians, because Indians are not having good heights. See, everyone is watching here. Austin. And now we come to this Fiat 1968 model Delight. Owner is Sudipto Roy. This one is also very beautiful. Fiat. Another car is Morris here. Oh, very beautiful. The model is Marina. Here is 1972. See the cheeky front of the Morris 1972 model. Beautiful. Now we come to standard 1955. Model is 10. Indra Kumar Ghosh is the owner of this car. See the steering, everything. And this is the Land Rover. Very beautiful, very strong indeed. 1950 is the year. Model is a SI Smith Ariel. See standard, they have extra that wheel on the front road. It's all open. There's a hunting car, hunting that Rover, Land Rover. Another Land Rover is 1942 model. Model is 3A. So these are all the cars. Morris, Austin, Herald, Fiat. So all cars are assembled here at Lake Club. Very beautiful indeed. But I like this one, Austin. Very beautiful. The color is very enchanting. Yes, I like this car, but I won't be able to drive it because they are on display here. And this one also I like it very much, as all you know. Volkswagen, the shape, the front shape, I like it. Beautiful. This is another Volkswagen. So the front is very beautiful of Volkswagen. Now we come to here, Plymouth, 1948 model is Special Deluxe. There's Chevrolet. Yes, Chevrolet. Year 1947. Fleet Master is the model. Soikat Datta is the owner. Chevrolet is very costly car, as all you know. This is Chevrolet. Very beautiful Chevrolet. Yes, this is Chevrolet. See the back of Chevrolet, and this is very beautiful car. Oh, what a beautiful color we are having. This is another Plymouth. Special Deluxe is the model, and the owner is S.K. Lahiri. Beautifully displayed here. What a lovely scene to see all these cars. This is Dodge. We all know Dodge was very strong car, 1956. The model is Kingsway. Owner is Arpan De. Dodge and Wolseley. Very few cars here in India, Wolseley. During the British period, it was very popular because the year is 1947, during our freedom movement. So this car is very important. Siddharth Swarup is the owner, where the model is 14. This is Wolseley. See the shape, everything strongly arranged here. See the logo of Wolseley, the back of Wolseley, very important. This one we know like a fairy tale, Dodge. Yes, this is very important for Dodge. The shape of the back, like a wings, very fast car here. Kingsway Deluxe, and see very strong doors here. The dashboard is quite you can say very innovative during those period. Yes, this Dodge 1956 model, very strong, very big car indeed. Kingsway model, as all you know. Now we move to another car. This is Buick. Very important, this car, Buick. 1948 here. Super 8. Tamalika Naha. This one is Austin. This is Buick. See just the side mirror, the inside, the dashboard, the back. Buick 8. But I like this, the side screen of Buick, the side mirror, right side mirror, and the dashboard. Oh, and now we come to this Ford 1959 model. Zephyr is the model. We come here 1965 Hillman. And now we move to Austin 1951 A40 model. This is a 1951 model. This is another Austin. Oh, what a color during those days. Austin A70. Subhajit Ghosh is the owner. Very beautiful color. Ford, very popular car, Ford 1964 model. Angelia is the model name. Amrit Roy is the owner of this Ford. This is another beautiful small car. Morris has always been very small. 1951 year. Model is minor. Subrata Sarkar is the owner. Beautifully maintained this car. This is very beautiful with two colors very side by side. This is one and this is Morris 1951. Datsun 1966. Roadster Rishi Kumar is the. This is open sports car. Now we move to another area. Beautifully arranged all these cars. Rolls-Royce, very costly car. Yes, this is 1925 model Rolls-Royce. Now we move on to Rolls-Royce, that 1925 Rolls-Royce P1. Then we have Rolls-Royce P3 1937, Rolls-Royce 25/30 1938, Rolls-Royce 1938 25/30. So these are the Rolls-Royce. You can see Rolls-Royce 28P 1923 back. You can see the back of Rolls-Royce, the luggage box. This white one is very beautiful. Chocolate color is 1937, whereas you have seen this Rolls-Royce 1938 white color. It's more advanced. So these are the Rolls-Royce you are seeing here. 1938 Rolls-Royce, very beautiful. Before that 38 you have seen another car, that's Rolls-Royce 38. Very beautiful cars here at Lake Club in Kolkata. All old cars you are seeing here. Very beautiful roof there. Rolls-Royce. Oh, what a marvel. There you can see the emblem, the logo, the headlights. These are all Rolls-Royce being displayed here at Kolkata Lake Club. We are very much surprised to see the headlights, the horn. This is the Rolls-Royce, the horn. And we have seen 1934 model also. The blue one is 1937 model. The chocolate one is 1937 model. And the 1938 model, yes, the emblem, the headlights. The blue one, 1937 Rolls-Royce model. That is P3, very beautiful P3. Oh, what a this steering, not in a circle but in semicircle. The steering looks like a sports Rolls-Royce car, all displayed here, all Rolls-Royce here at Kolkata Lake Club. A marvel. Yes, the steering, the dashboard, the meters, the ignition key, everything is there. You can see if you go close up. Yes, the doors are manually operated, the windows manually operated, the front part, and you can see the emblem. These are the Rolls-Royce you are seeing here, 1934 model, 1937 model, P1 model, 1925, all here. Oh, what a beautiful, yes, a blue one, 1937 model, that P3, beautifully displayed here. And now we move on to Rovers 1947, Austin 1940, Mercedes 1971. That has been honor is yours Indian Army, and you can see the flag post in the front used by Army during 1940. This is Austin. Yes, the black one is the Austin. You can see the Mercedes there also. And the Ford, the red one is the Ford. We will come to Ford later on. This is Austin 1940. On the other side is Rovers 1947, managed by Indian Army. 1926 Studebaker is also there. And Ford 1926, the red one on the right, and this is Studebaker. Yes, Studebaker 1926 Studebaker. This is also a very strong car. The red one is a Ford 1926 model. The Ford, no one could have afforded this Ford. And Plymouth 1937 P4, the Plymouth. And 1934 Ford, the blue one. Yes, you see all cars here. 1925 AC is also there. This is AC 1925 model. And we will go to Chevrolet 1934. The 1925 is AC. The steering, the dashboard, the meters, everything is there. You see all the cars here at Kolkata Lake Club. You see the cars here, and you see all the cars here. And this is Chevrolet 1934 Chevrolet. These are the cars here. You can see, you will have a ride on this car. Very beautifully maintained there by the owners or the drivers, the engineers. Yes, every car has been displayed here. The Studebaker, the Rolls-Royce, the Austin, the Ford, the Chevrolet, the Dodge, the Ford, the Austins. Every car is here. Now we move to this portion. You see the cars there. Yes, we will have a close-up. This is the car, somewhat looks like a sports car, not very big dashboard, very well maintained there. by, and this is Mercedes 1958 Mercedes Benz, as all you know, very popular among football clubs. They put the logo on their shirts of Mercedes Benz. 1927 Dodge is also there. 1928 Ford is also there. 1938 Austin is also there. All being displayed here at the Calcutta Lake Club. You see this, the emblem, very popular emblem, and you see all the cars here: Dodge, Ford, Austin, Mercedes-Benz, Chevrolet, Rolls-Royce, Fiat. We have seen earlier in our this video. So great opportunity for car lovers to go through all the details of the cars, including the dashboard, the steerings, all being arranged beautifully by the authorities of the Lake Club. And really it's a treat to watch, whether it is Austin, Ford or Rolls-Royce. You see every car here and beautifully maintained. As all you know, this is Calcutta, and Calcutta was the capital of British India before it has been moved to Delhi. And we have seen two cars maintained by Indian Army. That was Austin and Mercedes, maintained by Indian Army, and beautifully being maintained by everyone, whether it is Rolls-Royce, Ford or Austin. Yes, Ford or Fiat was very popular in India, and we see all the cars here. Even motorbikes are there, and I have noticed one motorbike, that is Panther Sloper of 1923, driven by Alfazuddin Hussain. This is the car. I like it very much, and a beautiful scene here indeed.